Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IIUI, Adiala Road Campus. Subject Chemistry for Grade 9. Chapter 6 Solution. Topic Introduction of Solutions. In this lecture, we are covering solution, aqueous solution, solute and solvent, saturated, unsaturated, supersaturated solutions, type of solutions, A. Solution of gases, B. Solutions of liquids, C. Solution of solids. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of substances that has uniform composition throughout. Students, a homogeneous mixture of substances in solution is mixture of solute and solvent. In solution, the substance that is present in larger amount is called solvent. In solution, the substance that is present in lesser amount is called solute. For example, A. Fizzy drinks. Gas and solids dissolve in water. B. Brass. Zinc dissolves in copper. C. Air. Carbon dioxide, oxygen and inert gases dissolved in nitrogen. D. Air freshener. Liquid dissolves in air. A solution in which water is solvent is called an aqueous solution. Students, word aqueous is derived from the Latin word aqua, meaning water. A solution which can dissolve more of the solute at a given temperature is called unsaturated solution. The solution which cannot dissolve more solute at a particular temperature is called a saturated solution. Solution that contain more of the solute than is contained in the saturated solution is called supersaturated solution. Solutions of gases. Gases, when dissolved in liquid, produce some important solutions. For example, a gaseous mixture of nitrogen and hydrogen is used to prepare ammonia gas. Solutions of liquid. Solution of liquid in gas, liquid or solid solvent. In these solutions, solute is in the liquid state and solvent in the gaseous state. For example, water vapor in air and clouds. Solution of solid. In this solution, solid particles are solute and air is solvent. For example, solid solution of various metals called alloys. Students, some common types of solution shown in table. Students, my next lecture covers solubility, comparison of solutions, suspension and colloids.